3.
Hi, Scouts and Scouters. Welcome back to day 4 of the Wizard Rocket build. You're probably thinking, wow, Mr. Fury's at camp and he must not shower because he's wearing the same shirt. Actually, it's all in the same day. Believe it or not, you really can build one of these rockets in one day. You just have to give about a half an hour to 45 minutes between each fin to allow it to dry. So, that being said, we're really doing this all in one day. But you have the instructions broken up so that your scout doesn't get their attention lost in trying to build all of this. Okay, so our next step is, again, we need a little bit of glue, about a dime to a nickel size amount, like before. Not a whole lot. So we set that aside. All right, now, we're going to do our next fin. That's where we're starting with. So we get our glue on our toothpick. And remember, we're using this side, and that's what's going to glue to the body tube. So we're going to run the glue down the fin in a generous amount. And then we're going to very carefully place this on the body tube, holding it for a count of 20 to 30 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, and as you can see, it doesn't have as much glue as before, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna take some glue on my toothpick, and I'm gonna run a little bit of glue down the sides to give it that little bit extra. Right down the seam of that fin, give it a little bit extra to help bond it to the tube. Okay, good. So make sure that your fin is nice and straight up and down so it doesn't end up falling. Okay, so we can skip over to our next part. Our next part is going to deal with our engine mount. So we need our engine mount, we need glue, we need our broken rubber band, which is our shock cord, and we need a small paper clip. So, as the instructions tell you, you're going to take some glue and you're going to run it on the middle of sections 2 and 3. Doesn't have to be a ton, but a generous enough amount that it's going to stick. Now, you're going to first fold section 1 to section 2, but don't seal it. You're actually going to place the rubber band, the shock cord, on sections, right in the middle of sections 2 and 3. Just like so, nice and flat. Now you're going to push down section 1 onto section 2. And you're going to fold section 2 onto section 3. Press it down. And this is where you take your paper clip and you're going to set your paper clip over top of the rubber band, allowing that to sit there just like that to dry. Now, that's day 4. After this, we have 2 more things to glue, well, 3 more things to glue, and those are going to take place on day 5 and day 6. Well, technically, 4 more things. We still have the nose cone to glue, we have a third fin, we have the launch lug, and we have the shock cord to glue inside the tube. Each of these, we're going to do a fin and the nose cone, or actually the fin and the shock cord on the next video, and the nose cone and the launch lug in the next video as well, in the 5th video. All right, or 6th video, sorry. All right, well, thank you for now. I will see you in a little bit.